The typical woman these days does it all, and she's not the June Cleaver of 50 years ago. With the added responsibilities of working and in some cases being a single mom comes the handling of insurance. Two areas that women may not know all that they need to know is how insurance is affected by divorce or if they have an in-home business. And with us today are Trusted Choice Independent Agents, Alex Soto, President and CEO of InSource Insurance Agency, and Sharon Emick, Director of the CBS Insurance Coverage Group. Welcome, both of you. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Nice to be here, Maribel.
Now, Sharon, let's talk about some common situations that may affect today's women, such as divorce or separation.
Well, during a divorce or separation, the first thing a woman should do is take an inventory of all her insurance policies. Typically, women don't know what they are. Many times it's the husband who takes care of it. And even the husband may not know because they may each have purchased different insurance policies. And the inventory is crucial because it's not just about a homeowner's policy. It's about health care. It's about life insurance and making sure that not just she is covered, but that her children are covered into the future.
Which is so important. Many women could be left in the dark not knowing where to go or what to do.
That's exactly right. And because they didn't participate most of the time in the acquisition of insurance, they are clueless. So they really need an education. And a good way would be to contact their independent insurance agent, their trusted choice agent, to sit down with them and go through the entire process.
Alex, let's talk about auto policy and homeowners policy in the case of a divorce or a separation. What if that's not done correctly beforehand? What can happen?
Well, it's very important that both spouses be named in the policy, because the homeowner's policy as well as the automobile policy basically says that the named insured, and if it's only the husband or only the wife, then that person is the only insured, and the other spouse gets their coverage by virtue of being a spouse living in the household. So it's very important to make sure that both of them are named. We make a point of it that whenever we issue those policies, they're both named so that when they separate, they each are fully protected.
What is Trusted Choice?
Well, Trusted Choice is, first of all, they're independent insurance agents, and they represent many carriers, but they also take an oath that they will provide their customers with the best service, that they will make sure that they help them with all of their insurance needs, and that they actually step up to the plate to make sure that their customers are well taken care of.
Okay, I'm going to switch gears now. What if, let's just say, I create my own business at home, baking cakes, which, by the way, I do them pretty good. Do I need liability coverage for that?
Absolutely. And you need to make sure that you are protected because the homeowner's policy has limited protection for business activities. You want to make sure that your property and your liability, supposing somebody gets hurt, you want to make sure that you have coverage, and you need to speak to an agent, speak to a trusted choice agent. If you don't have the right coverage, you could lose it all.
So what can happen if I don't have insurance?
You have the potential of losing all your property and have no money to reconstruct it, even your pictures, your valuable art. And you have the potential of being sued if somebody trips and falls, and then you have no defense coverage, and that means it could cost you thousands of dollars out of your own pocket.
So definitely something to think about right now and not wait for it to happen.
Absolutely.
Precisely.
Alex, Sharon, thank you so much for these great tips. And you at home, if you'd like more information on these issues and to find a Trusted Choice independent insurance agent near you, just go to our website, thebalancingAct.com/trustedchoice.